Visitor management. Walk-in visitor, Manish Shah enters, corporate house of Perfect Industries. Manish Shah arrives in the reception area. He informs the receptionist that he wishes to meet Arun Joshi in the purchase department. Receptionist gives Manish Shah a tablet to enter his details. Manish fills his personal details in the tablet and clicks a selfie. Receptionist receives self-registration and meeting request of Manish Shah on her computer. She forwards the meeting request to Arun Joshi, in purchase department. Arun Joshi gets a pop-up alert on his laptop, for visitor Manish Shah's meeting request. Arun Joshi approves authorization. Receptionist receives approval pop-up. She prints visitor pass, and hands over to Manish Shah. Manish Shah goes to meet Arun Joshi. If visitor overstays, host, visitor, and receptionist is informed. After the meeting, Manish comes back to reception. Receptionist takes pass back, and scans barcode, to mark exit of Manish Shah. Manish Shah leaves. Thanks for your visit.